Oh, really? Hey guys, guess where I am? I am at the Mitsubishi Auto Mall in Saskatoon, and I am doing something that I have never done before. I don't think a lot of people have, right? I am going to live in a car. Live in a car for 154 hours with three complete strangers, and whoever lasts the longest walks away with this brand new Mitsubishi Mirage. It is a tight little car. I'm actually, if I win, I'm going to make sure that I get to keep all the logos on there. I'm not going to take those off. I'm going to drive it around just like that because you earn those. You earn that vinyl wrap. You earn those stickers. I can't believe I'm doing it. So if you guys want to see what happens when four complete strangers live inside this tiny little car for 154 hours straight, yes, 7 days plus 10 hours. We got a little clock in there, time and everything. It's going to be live streamed on Twitch. It's going to be at cruise.com/Mirage, which is the radio station. Check out what happens. There it is. There ain't a big amount of people here this morning because it's super early. It's only 6:30, but loved ones are here to send us off for a week. It's going to be crazy. I just don't know what's going to happen. Shit is going to fly literally probably inside this car because you do get bathroom breaks, but can you hold it? Anyways, check out some of the other awesome Mitsubishis here. It's going to be a great time, you guys. Make sure and check out the Twitch live feed. I'll put it in the comments section below so you can get there easily. Otherwise, again, go to cruise.fm/Mirage. Check out Cruise 96.3 and you'll be able to find it. Wish me luck.